Okay, Mark has my fish that I latched onto.
He does? Oh yes, he does.
Let him go.
Is he very
to
big?
live another day.
No, he's good size.
Is he good size?
No, he's not.
Sorry.
He's just a baby.
I gotta get a picture.
Put him back.
Are you putting him back?
This will be catch and release.
Oh, you guys want to eat them?
You want to take one home and try it? Greg, you gotta try it sooner or later.
You want to try it, Mark?
There's bigger ones here, though.
You have to see this guy.
There's bigger ones.
Right to his eyeball.
Oh, you hooked it in his eyeball? Just let him die.
Oh, okay.
Let him die.
I'm going to stop recording because I think that's gross.
I didn't know you were still recording.
Pliers or something.
So, Mr. Grant,
Do you have anything in your truck?
how's the fishing?
You got pliers. Whereabouts?
Oh, Ellis got one. Did you get one or they're just jumping?
Oh, I just have to bite me from the eyeball, buddy.
Mark, just hang. We'll
Okay, I'm stopping.